everyone. I am Faith Gone Bold from A Touch of Faith. Thank you for watching the replay. Come on in, say something so I know you're here. This is day 3 of 30 Days of Lives. And today I wanted to show you how I've been preparing for my next vendor event. And today it's all about the bows. So I can't wait to see who joins us. Make sure you leave us a comment. I'd love to know your city and state, so we can see how far our broadcast is reaching. And if this is your first time joining us, be sure to comment the word new. I will send you a special welcome after the live is over and invite you to become a part of our community here on Facebook. So how are you doing today? I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I'm sprinkling us out. I see my mom has made it. Hey mom, how are you? So if you know of anyone who would love to be a part of what we have going on here, feel free, share the word, spread the word, let everyone know that we are live. And I'm happy to be back with you all. And I hope you've had a great day today. So tell me something good that's happened for you today. And I love my shirt that I'm wearing. I know it's backwards. And Miss Kathy is here. Miss Kathy, I didn't put a post or anything. So let me do my little hashtag real quick. Let me do that. So I'm so glad you're here. So if you're here live, go ahead and comment the word live. If you are watching the replay, you can comment replay. All right. So, hey. So let me know something good that's happened to you today. I don't know if that's going to tag you all, but anyway, I just sent it out, so we'll see. So tell me something good that's happened today for you. I've been working on some upcoming events, and one of the things that I've been doing as a part of my application process is getting some reference letters, and I can't wait to share more about that with you all. But I will tell you, I'm going to put my iPad down. I will tell you that the words that have been coming in are certainly blessing me. And when you know those words are the truth and they are true about you, I can't even describe it. And so I must just say, you all have blessed me so much. And I have to say I'm thankful to you all, but I'm also thankful to our Heavenly Father that He created me to be the way that I am. So you'll have to stay tuned for that. I'll share some more with you. But today, I wanted to show you what I've been doing to try to organize my bows whenever I have a vendor event. Normally, I would just take those bows and literally all I would do is just lay them on my table and try to, refluff them, because I usually travel with totes or bags. And that process tends to get a little extra when you're really just wanting to show up with your setup. And so I think I have a solution for this. I'm going to show you all what I worked on yesterday, and I'm going to be adding a few more details to it. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead and comment the word ready. And if you haven't yet said something, be sure to comment. That way I know you're here tuning in to our live. Okay. All right. Are y'all ready? Oh, I love it. Miss Kathy says she saw her grandsons and she hadn't seen them in a while. Oh, wow. And the oldest has his license now and got his first job. That is beautiful. I love that. That is something to celebrate. Being able to spend time with your family, right? Number one. And then getting that first job. That's a huge congratulations. And getting his license. Awesome. I love it. I love hearing all the good. And I've been talking about that a lot on my page. Whenever you're going through things, you always have to still look for the good. Know that God is still within everything. So thank you for sharing that. Oh, I love it. Now, Mom says my dad cooked crab legs for the grandchildren. They're visiting her. So yeah, she's also doing like you, Miss Kathy, spending time with the grandchildren. And Mom sent us a picture, and I think she posted on her page. Those crab legs look delicious. So yeah, if I were not so far away, I'd come get some, Mom. I love it. Okay, y'all keep sharing. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around. Let me grab my phone, and I'm going to show you my setup for my bows. And I want to show you how I will actually be able to literally take this with me to my next vendor event, and I'll be all set to go with my bows. So here we go. And I put it on my table so that hopefully you could see it better. So let's see, there we go. So I have created this stand right here, and I've had this stand for a while. If you remember my old studio when we had our old house, the previous house we lived in, I actually had this in my studio, and it lived behind me when I would do my lives, and I used it for wreaths, but I decided to use it for bows. So I'm going to see if I can put the camera down just for a second, because I'm going to go over to it. So first of all, what do y'all think about this? What do you think about my setup? And I know y'all can see those lights there in the background. All right, let's tilt this down just a little bit. I think y'all can see it. Okay, so this is my stand. And as you can see, all the bows are ready to go on the display rack. And so I basically created my own rack, and I have all of my bows. So this is going to be my summer side. So I have watermelon bow that we made on a live not long ago. I think if you were on my live, you may remember that. And this was another watermelon bow that I already had. So I wanted to put the watermelons together. We did this lemon wreath on our Saturday live. So gosh, y'all, I keep saying wreath, bow. Y'all have to forgive me. I have bows and wreaths. They're kind of both in my head right now. So bow, and this beautiful bow, I thought I would add it here so you could easily see it. And then I found my pineapple bow that I had in my stash right here. So I added this one. Thanks, Miss Kathy. Miss Kathy says she loves it. And I couldn't leave out the ladybug, so I have this beautiful ladybug bow right here. And then I added my gorgeous black and white cabana stripe bow right there. So this is sort of like my summer side for bows. And then I do still have some spring bows that I've been selling. So let me see if I can turn it so y'all can see it. And I'm planning to put it up on my table so my customers, they will be able to browse and see, and they can walk around and view the bows from all sides. All right, let's see if I can tilt the camera just a little bit. Okay, so on this one you can see I have this Hello Spring beautiful truck ribbon right here. So there's a beautiful bow at the top. And I love this one because of the gorgeous colors. I think I sold this bow during Mother's Day. So I added it to here because it's also a beautiful springtime bow. And by the way, as you're watching, if you see a bow you like, let me know. Comment that for me. Then our pastel bow. Absolutely love these colors. So we have the lime green, the pink. There's a little bit of that light blue and yellow. We made this one, I think, or a variation of this one on a live together, that beautiful pastel with the watercolor flowers. Love that one. And then what do you think about this one? It has beautiful yellow and pink, some greens in it. And you can see I have bows with different sizes. So some have the shorter tails. I also wanted to feature the longer tail. So I love this one. We also have the pink. This is that beautiful fuchsia. And then finally, this beautiful pink and green and white stripe. I added that to the bottom. So really, these bows are perfect for this time of the year, and I wanted to give my customers some options. I love Miss Kathy's question. She said, what did you make the stand out of? I did not tell you that, did I? This is actually those closet made shelving units. I don't know if you can see it right here on the bottom. And I just used zip ties. I hooked 3 of them together. When you connect them, they actually make like a triangle base. And so I just used zip ties on the corners to connect them. And they come in different sizes. I think this one, is it the 4-foot? Let me grab my ruler here. Hang on. I can tell you. And I'm pretty sure I have a link to this on my affiliate shop. So I will, after the live is over, I'll go look for the link. If you want to go look on my site while we're live or even before I post it, go to shoplightfaith.com. All right, let me see. So this one is about 36 inches, which is what I thought. So it's the 36 inch by about 12 inches. So it's the perfect size for this. And like I said, I was using it previously to just have wreaths on in my studio. And I saw it in the garage recently and I decided, you know what, I can make use of this now and go ahead and have a way to display my bows. All right, let me move the camera a little bit, y'all. I didn't realize it was off center. Okay, so does that help, Miss Kathy? So yeah, and it's super simple to put together. I use a taller one for wreaths, and I'll show you all that. We might do that in one of these lives. So that's the spring side, but again, some of these bows could go for any time of the year. All right, y'all see a bow you like? All right, and then let me turn it one more time. There we go. All right, so lots of bows there. So this side is all cabana stripe is what I decided. I love my stripes. So I added all of the ones that I had already made. You've already seen the black and white, which is on this side. So we have some yellow and white. There's more of a light pink. You have the fuchsia. Then there's the green right there. I also have this in purple. So I may be adding the purple one to this. If I add any other bows though, I will put smaller bows down here, but I really wanted to just take advantage of the spacing, but also have a nice display at the same time. Okay, so what do y'all think about that? I was so excited when I did this. I said this is going to save me a lot of time and really help with my setup and also breaking down, because it can literally stay this way until a wreath sells or a bow sells. All right, so I'm going to turn the camera back around. Okay. So what y'all think about that? Was that pretty cool? So that's my bow display, and I am just getting things prepared so that whenever that time comes, I'm not having to rush and gather things together. So I thought I would share that with you. If you want to check out the bows on my website, let me add that link for you, because I have tons of bows that you can certainly take advantage of. So, of course, our website is atofaith.com. And I'm going to take a moment right now and I'm going to grab the link that will take you straight to all of the mini bows, so that if you want to see any of these that I already have, you can certainly check them out. And bows are super simple, easy way to decorate your home. All right, so here is the link for the bows. And if you have any need of a certain style bow, hello, Michelle is here. How are you? Thank you so much for being here. If you have a need for a certain style bow, certain colors, you can certainly reach out to me, send me a message right here on my page, and I would be more than happy to create something beautiful for you. All right, I think the link has been added for you. And let me go ahead and just pin that link so that way you can still see it. Okay, there we go. So what questions do y'all have? I hope you enjoyed this. This is a part of our 30 days of going live. And like I was saying yesterday, we're going to do different things, so it won't always be what we're used to. So tomorrow we'll be back for our weekly Tuesday live. So we'll see what we're going to put together. We'll create something tomorrow. Oh, I love that. dance picture for your daughter. I bet it's beautiful. Well, thank you for joining us. I'm so happy you were able to make it. All right, y'all have any questions for me before you head out? For today, y'all, it's a beautiful day today. I'm looking out the window. It was not as hot today, so I'm just really enjoying this gorgeous weather. I don't know if you saw the video I posted Saturday. I think it was Saturday. We finally used our fire pit, and that was so much fun. So you'll have to go back and look at that video if you haven't already seen it. So I'm going to make it a point this summer to make sure I'm doing some things to relax. Of course, I'll be here with you all because I love A Touch of Faith and I love you all, but just making sure that I'm really taking time to enjoy my summer break. That's what I'm most looking forward to. And I'm excited that we have kicked off our 30 days of lives during the month of June. So you will definitely want to stay connected, stay tuned. Oh, thank you, Michelle. I did not make these, but I'm going to have some that I will be working on. That's on my list too, because I have the templates already, have some of the material, so I need to add that to my list. You're reminding me. I'm going to put that on my list for this summer. So today I spent some time brainstorming my to-do list now that summer break is coming up. So I'm like, okay, what do I want to do? So I don't know if you all are list makers, but I love to just do that so I can set goals and get things accomplished. You know, sometimes you have ideas, but if you don't put them on paper or your computer or your phone, your whole break or a whole week or a whole month or even year is gone, and you look back and you didn't accomplish what you wanted to accomplish. So that's what I did today. I went just kind of through my mind and I thought about the things I want to accomplish. So you're going to see some of those things happening this summer, and I can't wait to share with you. Oh, you have one too, Miss Kathy? You need to use it. It was so much fun. Now, of course, it's a little warmer right now, so I'm glad we did it when it wasn't so hot. But yeah, you will enjoy it so much. Let me know when you do. I can't wait to hear about it. All right, anything else before we head out today? I appreciate each and every one of you so much. By me being on my phone, if any of you give stars, I'll be able to see it a little bit better. So I was going to thank you in advance for what you're doing to support my page and my business. I really do appreciate you all so much. And don't forget to look for the good. So go out each day, look for something good to happen to you. And I promise you that good will continue to return to you. And you can go out and be that good for someone else, okay? All right, I love you all so much. Let's see, tomorrow's Tuesday. So let's plan to have our live at our normal time. So I'll see you around 5:30 Eastern time, okay? All right, if you think of anything else after the live is ended, just leave me a message or a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can, okay? And if you want to learn how to make bows from me, I forgot to tell you this, you can visit my website and click on the Learn from Faith option. You can also go to www.learnfromfaith.com, okay? All right, everyone, have a wonderful, blessed night. I love y'all so much. Bye, everyone.